Graham Corporation was founded in 1936, and the Heliflow heat exchanger was one of the original products invented by Harold Graham in the World War II era for boiler sample cooling. Today, the Heliflow is used in numerous thermally demanding applications. Graham Corporation, headquartered in Batavia, New York, designs and builds vacuum and heat transfer equipment. We have more than 30 North American sales representatives and more than 55 sales representatives globally with direct sales offices in China, India, and Texas. Graham is most noted for our steam ejector systems used in petroleum refineries for crude oil vacuum distillation. We design and build our equipment to the highest quality standards in the industry. Our certifications enable us to design, build, and construct our equipment to ASME code, both nuclear and non-nuclear, and other recognized design standards, including PED or Pressure Equipment Directive, CSA standards for Canada, a TSSA registration, and many others. Graham products include steam jet ejectors, where high-pressure steam is the driving force to produce vacuum. Liquid ring vacuum pumps, used as an alternative to the steam jet ejectors for producing vacuum. Desuperheaters, used for taking the superheat out of steam lines and getting the steam source closer to its saturation temperature. And steam surface condensers, typically used on turbine exhaust. Our vacuum systems are engineered to order and use a combination of steam jet ejectors, liquid ring vacuum pumps, and inter-after condensers.